Welcome to ClearTask. Today, we will add fillable blank lines in a Microsoft Word document. You can use the Shapes tool. Navigate to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click Shapes and select the Line tool. Click where you want the line to begin. Hold down the Shift key to keep the line perfectly straight and drag your mouse to draw it. Once drawn, you can adjust the color and thickness from the Shape Format menu that appears at the top. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut for a quicker result. Click where you want the line to appear. Hold down the Shift key and press the underscore key continuously until the line reaches your desired length. This creates a simple blank line instantly. For a more automated approach, particularly when designing forms, configure your paragraph settings. Highlight your text. Open the paragraph settings dialog box and click on tabs at the bottom left corner. Enter a tab stop position, such as 3. Select the solid line option under the leader section and click OK. Now, whenever you press the tab key on your keyboard, Word will automatically generate a perfectly aligned blank line. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more concise software guides.